Fishing, a timeless activity for RV camping enthusiasts. RV camping offers the perfect opportunity to connect with nature and enjoy a wide range of outdoor activities. One such activity that has stood the test of time and continues to captivate campers of all ages is fishing. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a family seeking a fun and educational experience, fishing provides an exciting and rewarding way to spend quality time together while immersing yourself in the serenity of the great outdoors. From casting lines and reeling in catches to teaching children about aquatic ecosystems and preparing a freshly caught fish for dinner, fishing is a cherished pastime that complements the RV camping experience. One of the greatest joys of fishing is the thrill of casting a line and waiting for that telltale tug on the other end. As you find a comfortable spot on the riverbank or settle in on the edge of a serene lake, you become part of a time-honored tradition that dates back generations. The act of casting a line into the water creates a sense of anticipation and excitement. It's a moment of connection with the natural world, where you become attuned to the rhythm of the water and the delicate balance of life beneath the surface. With each cast, you enter a tranquil state, absorbing the sights and sounds of nature while patiently waiting for a bite. Fishing is not only about the thrill of the catch but also a valuable opportunity for families to bond and create lasting memories. RV camping offers a unique setting for teaching children the art of fishing and instilling in them a love and respect for the outdoors. As parents or grandparents patiently guide young ones in casting their lines, baiting hooks, and reeling in their first catches, a sense of accomplishment and joy fills the air. Fishing becomes a conduit for learning, as children discover the importance of patience, perseverance, and respect for nature's delicate balance. It's a chance for generations to come together, share stories, and create a legacy of outdoor appreciation and family traditions. Beyond the thrill of catching fish, fishing also provides an opportunity to immerse oneself in the beauty of aquatic ecosystems. As you sit by the water's edge, you become an observer of nature, witnessing the delicate interplay of life unfold before your eyes. From the graceful movement of fish beneath the surface to the serenade of birds and the vibrant colors of aquatic vegetation, each fishing excursion becomes a chance to connect with the wonders of the natural world. It's a moment of reflection and appreciation for the intricate ecosystems that sustain life and a reminder of the importance of environmental stewardship. Once you've successfully caught a fish, the adventure continues with the opportunity to prepare and cook your prize. RV camping allows you to bring the comforts of home to the great outdoors, including a well-equipped kitchen. After a successful fishing trip, imagine returning to your campsite with a fresh catch, ready to be transformed into a delicious meal. Whether you choose to cook the fish over an open fire, on a portable grill, or in the comfort of your RV's kitchen, the experience of transforming your catch into a delectable dish adds another layer of satisfaction and connection to nature's bounty. To make the most of your fishing experience during RV camping, consider the following tips. 1. Check local regulations. Familiarize yourself with fishing regulations and obtain the necessary licenses or permits. Respect catch limits and size restrictions to preserve fish populations and their habitats. 2. Pack fishing gear. Bring along the appropriate fishing gear for your chosen fishing location. This may include fishing rods, reels, lines, hooks, sinkers, and bait. Consider the type of fish you're targeting to ensure you have the right equipment. 3. Research fishing spots. Do some research on the fishing spots near your campsite. Local fishing reports, guidebooks, or online resources can provide valuable information on the best times to fish, species available, and recommended techniques. 4. Practice catch and release. If you're not planning to consume the fish you catch, consider practicing catch and release. This ensures the preservation of fish populations and allows others to enjoy the thrill of catching them in the future. 5. Embrace the experience. Fishing is not just about catching fish. It's about immersing yourself in nature and enjoying the journey. Take time to appreciate the scenery, engage in conversations, and savor the peacefulness that fishing brings. Fishing adds a unique dimension to the RV camping experience, combining the thrill of the catch, the beauty of nature, and the joy of shared moments with loved ones. It's a time-honored tradition that connects us to the rhythms of the natural world and instills in us a deep appreciation for the outdoors. So, pack your fishing gear, plan your RV camping trip near a scenic fishing spot, and embark on an adventure filled with excitement, tranquility, and the possibility of reeling in memories that will last a lifetime. Camping is our happy place.